Okay, this is our build concerning the for Project 6 with the AC powered LED light bulb array. So basically what we have here, our power supply box was about 12.3 volts RMS, which actually was about, what was that? I think it was about 18 volts peak to peak, wasn't it? Probably ruining the video quality here. But positive peak voltage, yeah, is 19. Oh, okay. What the heck? We ended up having two power supplies when we did this, because we did this over 2 different lab days. So our numbers were a little off, and that's why this thing is not working quite right. But basically, our voltage after it's regulated is 16.6 volts DC, but we'll get that in a second. So basically what we're going to get is two sides. Neither one's really positive or negative, it's just kind of up or down or whatever. And so when it hits the diodes, it'll allow current to flow with the direction of the arrows. And so when the cycle goes this way, it'll go this way up through here, and that way you'll get a positive. And then it'll cycle down through here, and then it'll go this way. That's how it'll do that way. And if it alternates, then the positive will come in this way, and it'll come this way, and you still get the positive. And it comes back through here and back down and through here, so you always get a positive on this side, negative on this side. You put the capacitor in there to get rid of the little ripple in there, so it kind of flattens out the DC. And then for our LEDs, we wanted 20 of them in there. One of the problems I probably had, or we had with this, was cut this a little close, because we had 16.6 volts, and these are 3.1 volt drops on each one of these LEDs. So we're clearing by less than a volt on that. So if the box, which those voltages are all a little different, aren't quite right, then it won't light because there's not enough to turn them on. So we have 5 LEDs, and then to limit the current, we have a 47 ohm resistor in there, and this should light. And so what we get, a little OSU pride here, it's got the OSU, and then inside of here we have a bunch of 5 LED arrays in here, and you just plug it in back there. And let me see what else. Is there anything else on here? That's all we got. Let's see. Yep, and that's kind of how that works. Kind of wish we could display it, but that's